Okay YouTube, here is my e-bike. It is 48 volts, 1000 watt motor. I got this from Voilamap. There's the sign down there. The controller's in this bag here. This is a 48 volt motor, 48 volt battery. I'm waiting on a sabvoton 72 volt controller coming. I'm going to build my own battery from laptop cells. These are high capacity cells. Don't know if you can see that. 2600 milliamp hours. My soldering iron there. My circuit tester. These are the batteries I purchased. Got these from eBay. These are laptop batteries. They're new. I think it's the best option to go with, is new ones, if you can get hold of them. It's the cheapest option anyway. It's the standard tyres that's on this mountain bike. They're knobbly tyres. I'm waiting on slicks coming for it, like Kenda ones. This is the tyre that came with the kit. I don't really like these tyres. This is a 1200 watt DC to DC step up boost converter. What I was going to do was run this off of this 48 volt battery and max it up to 60 volts to get more power to this rear hub, because I can only get 28 miles an hour with this rear hub, with this battery. The battery only it's limited to a certain speed. So with the upgrade to 60 volts I should get more speed, because I've got a lot of hills in my area. There's another option I could have done. I could have used two of these in parallel and run them onto this motor. I could use this battery, but I'm feared to burn that up, so I'm going to build my own battery. I'll give you an update once I get this battery built and get it on the bike. I'll let you guys know how it's running. Okay, thanks.